Algebraic vectors in R2. We have set of multiple choice questions here for you to review whatever you've learned and prepare for your test. Now for the first three questions, let us consider the vector OP, which is 2, 3. I'd like you to pause the video, copy the questions, answer them, and then look into my suggestions. And that is what you should be doing for all the multiple choice questions which I have in this set of videos. Question number 1. If AB equals to OP, then what is the coordinate of A and B? Question number 2 is, we need to find unit vector OP. And question number 3 is, vector collinear to OP, right? So these are the three questions which we're going to answer. Now let's go with the first one. It says OP equals to 2, 3, right? That means basically that is the origin, O, and P is 2, 3. So we get 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. So that vector is OP, and that's the point P, which is 2, 3. That is how we have to see our vector. Now AB is equals to OP, then the combination of A and B could be what? So A to B is OP. That means if I do B minus A, I should get 2, 3. That is what it means, right? So that is what you should. If you do 0 minus 2, well, you don't get 2, right? So that's not right. 5 minus 3, you get 2. That's part is correct. And what about 4 minus 2? That's not correct. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 1 minus 2 is 3. That's correct. So this is the right option. Do you see that? So that is how we can quickly get our result. Unit vector OP is what? 1, 1 is the wrong answer. Unit vector is what? Whatever the magnitude is given to us, let's find the magnitude and divide by that. So first let us find magnitude of vector OP. Magnitude is, in this case, this square plus that square. That means 2 square plus 3 square square root, right? 2 square plus 3 square square root, which is square root of 4 plus 9 square root of 13, right? So if I divide this vector by square root of 13, I get a unit vector in the same direction, right? So that kind of unit vector. Do you understand now? So we have to divide 2 and 3 by square root of 13 to get the unit vector, which is option B for us. So that's correct. Question number 3 is vector collinear to OP, and we are given 4 choices. Now what is a collinear vector? Collinear means it is scalar multiple. That is what it means, right? It's just scalar multiple. That means k times 2, 3. This is what we are looking for, and k is any integer. It could be 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, whatever, right? That is what it is, right? Now let's try to figure out, right? Now which number fits it? We want 2, 3. So if I do both negative, it works, right? Minus 2, minus 3. That is collinear. It could be in the opposite direction, but along the same line. So that is indeed the right answer for us, right? So the order is, these things are kind of mixed up, 3, 2, 3, no. We cannot change that point, right? 2, 3 is correct, times minus 1. So in this case, we know it is like minus 1 times 2, 3, right? K is 3. In fact, k belongs to real numbers, right? I said integer, but it could be any number, right? It is any real number. Okay. That makes it collinear. So this should be a scalar multiple. So option D is correct for us. So let's move on to the other sets. Let's move on now to more questions on algebraic vectors. Thank you.